All right, I'm going to show you some really cool iPhone word processing tricks that you can do. So anyway, I've just typed this stuff in here. I'm going to show you a double tap on one word. So you see I double tapped on it, it highlights that word, right? I can cut it, I can copy it, I can paste it, I can replace it, right? So let's tap here and get out of that. Now, if I triple tap, it's going to highlight the whole thing, watch. Highlights the whole sentence. And then I could go cut, copy, paste, whatever, like that. All right, so let's say I got some wrong words in there and I want to undo that. I'm going to take 3 fingers and I'm going to rub it across the hair laterally from right to left, and it should undo it. Undo, bam, gone. All right, now let's say you want to redo that. I take the same thing, I go the opposite way, 3 fingers. Nope, that didn't do it. And there we did a redo. And it doesn't work super great, but it's better than nothing. All right, then let's say you want to delete that. You can cut it, bam, done. And we're right back to where we were at. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.